Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, back at you again with another video. So I did a legit check on the white cement 3's, and in the comment section of that video, a few viewers reached out to me expressing their concerns about the pairs that they received from GOAT. So I agreed to receive pictures of their pairs for me to look at, and each person pointed out that their pairs came from VW1, which was inconsistent with the factory that was listed on my pair in the video that I did. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with VW1, VW1 is a factory in Vietnam that Nike has partnered with in the past on releases such as the Desert Elephant 3, the Fire Red 4s, the University Blue 4, the Ama Manier 2s, just to name a few. Now, it's no secret that when the sneaker is mass produced for a retail release, there will be multiple factories involved. But I was very intrigued that the number of pairs people were claiming that they received from GOAT were coming from the same factories. So this compelled me to do a little research. So I took some time to visit a few stores such as Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line, Snipes, a couple sneaker boutiques, and I also called up some friends that I know got their pairs for retail. And here's what I narrowed it down to. So there are 3 factories that had a hand in producing the retail pairs of the Reimagined 3's, and those factories are LN3, LN4, and IW2. LN3 and LN4, based in China, were responsible for the men's sizes, and IW2, based in Indonesia, was responsible for the toddlers and grade school sizes. So between the retail stores, the sneaker boutiques, and my friends, I was unable to confirm VW1 as a factory that had a hand in producing the retail pairs of the Reimagined 3's. Now, that's not to say that they didn't. It could be a regional thing. So depending on what part of the world you live in, some regions probably have more VW1 pairs than others. And it's also possible that VW1 didn't have a hand in producing these at all, and the pair that you're looking at could just be a replica. So if you feel you purchased a replica with the intent of buying the authentic, the best suggestion I can give you is to get your hands on a pair of the authentic shoes so that you can use as a comparison or a reference. 9 times out of 10, the replicas will look similar to the authentic, but it won't feel the same. So you'll notice that the replicas are usually a lot softer to the touch, and soft doesn't always mean better. You'll also have smaller box dimensions, even though the sizes are the same, and also the colors will be slightly off as well. If you found this video useful, definitely hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, especially if you're into real versus fake and authentication content pertaining to sneakers. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.